Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be sharing some hidden face photograph ideas for your Instagram part 5. You can check the other parts as well. I will add a playlist. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the first picture, I am using this book. Now open the book and place it in front of your face and click pictures. Now you can keep it as it is, but I will add some flowers so that it looks aesthetically more beautiful. You can do the same thing by closing the book as well. So now let's see how the pictures turned out, and then you can see the editing clip as well. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt and then go to stickers and type sunflower bunch. Now select the flower and adjust it on the book. Now you can adjust the size according to your choice. Now go to the eraser option and erase the excess on the book. Now take your time while erasing, make it seamless so that it does not look like copy and paste. And yeah, that is it. Now go ahead and save it to your gallery. For the second picture, all you have to do is use your hands to cover your face. Now for this kind of pictures, always click from a lower angle. It just makes the picture 10 times better. Here I am showing some ways to place your hands. Now you can also use something of your own. And now let's see how the pictures turned out. For the third picture, wear something with a turtleneck and then use your hands on your forehead and start clicking pictures. Now again I will be adding flowers on PicsArt. So now let's see how the pictures turned out, and then you can check the editing clip as well. Again, for editing, open your photo on PicsArt and then go to stickers and type white flower. Now select a flower of your own choice. Here I am using this flower. Now adjust it so that it looks like it is coming out from the t-shirt, and then erase the excess, and it is done. Go ahead and save it. For the fourth picture, you have to pretend as if you are holding a bunch of flowers and then flaunt your gorgeous big smile. Now instead of pretending, you can actually use a bunch of flower to do so, but I will be editing them. So let's see how the pictures turned out, and then you can check the editing clip as well. Open the photo on PicsArt and then go to stickers and type sunflower bunch. Now select the flower and adjust it on your hand. Now go to the eraser option and erase the excess so that it looks like you are holding the flowers. And yeah, that's it. Now go ahead and save it. For the fifth picture, again I am using a book. Now place the book closer to your camera and then start flipping the pages. You can get beautiful pictures. Now for clicking, either you can set timer on your phone or you can shoot a video and then screenshot the pictures. So now let's see how my pictures turned out. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.